If you experience acid reflux regularly, you may wonder whether small daily changes can make a difference. The good news is that lifestyle habits often play an important role. In this video, we'll look at 5 simple changes that may help you feel more comfortable over time. 1. Eat smaller, balanced meals. Large meals may leave you feeling overly full. Instead of eating heavy portions at once, try smaller and more balanced meals throughout the day. Moderation is often easier to maintain than strict restrictions. 2. Avoid late-night eating. Eating too close to bedtime may make nighttime discomfort more noticeable. Try finishing your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. This simple timing adjustment may feel helpful for many individuals. 3. Maintain a comfortable body weight. For some people, gradual and healthy weight management may improve overall comfort. Even small changes over time can sometimes make a difference. Focus on steady habits rather than extreme diets. 4. Choose simpler cooking methods. Meals that are grilled, baked, or steamed may feel lighter than heavily fried or oily foods. Keeping preparation simple can make it easier to notice what works best for you. Small adjustments in cooking style can support better comfort. 5. Reduce daily stress. Stress can influence how your body feels throughout the day. Simple relaxation habits like deep breathing, light stretching, or short walks may support a calmer routine. Consistency matters more than intensity. Quick recap. If you're looking to manage acid reflux more comfortably, consider eating smaller meals, avoiding late dinners, maintaining steady, healthy habits, choosing simple cooking methods, and reducing daily stress. Small changes practiced regularly may lead to gradual improvement. If your discomfort continues or becomes more noticeable, consider speaking with a qualified healthcare professional. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple and practical health tips.